Hi, and welcome back to English Lessons with Stephanie. This is an overview of English Class 8. We'll start with grammar, and this week we're going to talk about comparisons. We'll learn how to compare two things using nouns, verbs, adjectives, and adverbs. In our listening class, we'll hear a passage called New Year's Resolutions. We'll listen to a 3-minute story and try to answer questions about it. Then, we'll listen to the same passage again while reading and try to fill in some missing words. In our reading class, we'll read the passage about New Year's resolutions one more time to work on deeper understanding and reading more quickly. In our writing class, we'll talk about this week's vocabulary and learn proper usage of new vocabulary words. Finally, in our speaking class, we'll practice talking using our new grammar and vocabulary. We'll also talk about the 2 ways to pronounce the double C. Here are some tips to get the most out of this English class. Do the lessons in order. Secondly, download the class notes before starting. You can find a link on the classes page. The class handout features some of the slides that are in the lessons, so you can follow along more easily. If you don't have access to a printer or you can't download these handouts, you can just use a notebook for notes. Third, turn on closed captions if you need them. If you're having trouble understanding the videos, if they're too hard for you, you can turn on subtitles, which can help you to understand the videos a little bit better. Next, when you're finished with the class, review with a grammar worksheet and vocabulary review also on the classes page. Finally, if you can, try and study the lessons with a friend. It really helps when you have someone that you can discuss the lessons with and ask questions if you need help. Thanks, and I hope you enjoy this class.